Look at, look at. Look, we got old Mad Dog in the shop. Mad Dog, say hi.
Hi.
Everyone wants to see you.
Hi, everybody. What's up?
So, like I said, we're gonna pull the cover off this bitch here in a second and see what the damage is, if we can see it. We got some stuff running on it. See where it's at. Now we're gonna take it apart. Take the valve covers off. Mad Dog gonna back up the truck. Truck's for sale, by the way. So I got the valve cover off, or excuse me, distributor off. Valve covers are coming off next, and we're gonna see. Look at Mad Dog in his truck.
I thought you sold that little trailer you bought.
What? I did. Got the old man down. Look at deep in thought right here. You know what I realized, Mad Dog? That other camera I have fucking sucks.
Does it?
Yeah, because this one, quality, way better. Here's Mad Dog's list right here, guys. Look at that chicken scratch right there.
Yeah.
That's his.
Shut up.
Hey, I'm telling all your fans, Mad Dog. You know, everyone likes when you're on the videos.
Do that?
Yeah.
That's what they say, huh?
They're like, who's that cranky fucking guy? That's Mad Dog Milas. Working on jet boats now.
Yeah.
Look at a pretty shot, dude. Not you, the car. And the boat. Mad Dog adds the wow factor to these videos. Yay!
Boy, looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, he does. Especially with that short hair. No.
Okay, we did that. Let's go all the way back around and check the others.
Alright.
Like we were gonna do the first time.
It's alright. Don't scratch it.
Oh, there's something's gonna get scratched. Now we want to go to what we want to do next, kids. Oh, Lord. How y'all feeling today, folks?
I'm feeling alright. I don't know how they're feeling. I don't get too many comments except for my buddy, so.
Oh, okay.
But I think he's feeling pretty good today. Shout out to Jeremy. Mad Dog, say hi to Jeremy.
Hi, Jeremy.
Call him Big Daddy.
Feel big good.
Ooh, yeah.
Roll it.
He's rolling. He's from Ohio, dude.
Hi, Jeremy, from Ohio.
That's right.
Don't ever come to California.
That's the Rotard Nation guy we ride with, Sturgis. Damn.
You gotta talk every freaking 5 seconds.
Shut up, bitch.
I'm trying to do something here, Chief.
See, old people can't think.
No, I can't think, man. I got diarrhea in the ears, dude.
All right, everyone be quiet.
Shit. Yeah. Everybody shut up on the old man's thing. What you do?
Sweat, dude.
Right?
Windy. Crazy bullshit.
Okay. That's 8 on my exhaust, 7 on my intake. Over.
And
Gonna
take?
do 1, 2, 5, and 7, my friend.
I don't know if I can talk because you can't think.
I don't care what you do.
See, look at. I gave Mad Dog a bandana because he was sweating all over my fucking boat. And all those salt spots. So what do you think, Mad Dog? You heard it.
Oh, don't start blaming me.
You didn't build the motherfucker. I'm just telling you.
I don't know what it is.
I think we need to pull it out.
Johnny had adjusted the valve.
Shit.
How come we always gotta pull everything out?
Because someone blew it up. Again.
Not me, motherfucker.
Put a hole in your head. Find out, Murphy.
I gotta show YouTube that I'm working on
You're sitting there running your mouth all the time. So what are all you smart people doing today?
Not this dumb
You
shit.
ain't working on a boat, are you? But if I could get DeWalt to come through for me on my tools, like we talked about, I haven't heard anything from them yet. I'm thinking eventually they're going to come through and they're going to send me a whole set of brand new tools.
You know, we're gonna hope that.
Because, you know, I talk up to Walt all the time, man. I got guys at my shop, oh, Milwaukee this and Milwaukee that. I said, yeah, you Milwaukee sucks, man.
It's all about that DeWalt.
It's all about that DeWalt ain't my fault. I run it. Oh, let me put my iced tea over there, would you?
What's on?
The iced tea right there.
Hey, Wendy's. Huh?
Hey, Wendy's,
Mad Dog.
I love your iced tea. I don't even put any sugar in it, no flavoring, but I do need a sponsor.
That's
so if Wendy's could give me a call, hit me up. Be glad to eat your burgers for you. Oh, and I love those
The potato
wedges. Ooh, doggy.
Those are good.
We like that. I had your burrito this morning. That filled me up by itself. So see, I'm giving you another lick, Wendy's. Parker's gonna give you a special prize. You need to know the furthest viewer.
I can probably tell you.
Parker's gonna set you guys up with a nice prize. I don't know what it is. I don't think he does either. So, all right. Maybe a boat motor.
Huh?
Are you fucking recording the iced tea?
Hey, yeah, I'm just recording iced tea. That's it.
He records everything.
Dang. That's my beautiful wife,
You're mad.
everybody. Hates the world.
Oh, she did. Yeah.
And she's on meth, so
I'm
she
sorry.
can beat both of our asses.
Sorry.
And like that, the motor's out. We're gonna drain the oil, which we already did, but we'll see what's in it. So, thanks to this guy, Mad Dog. Where's he at? Thanks, Mad Dog, for helping. Look at, even right above you, YouTube certified, buddy. Holla. So yeah, we'll see where we're at, but we're gonna be rebuilding it. So I need help. I need sponsors. I need money. What up, guys? So, sad deal. Yep, no motor in it, but shit happens. There's the motor. We did find some stuff. Cylinder 7 and 3, I believe, had some scoring in it, and there was some metal in the pan. So it was probably a good thing we did take it off, and thank you to the wife who actually heard the sound before I did. Yeah. So our plan is to hopefully find something we can, if I can scrounge up some cash to get this thing going. Because, I mean, one trip, summertime, bullshit. So we're better than that, and we're going to get that goddamn boat out in the water. So sponsors, hey, holla. Later.